Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports Esim and fetching the QR or activation code. This saves time and prevents backtracking. Once done, make sure your iPhone 14 is on a stable Wi-Fi network and running the latest iOS. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. Use your camera to scan the QR or follow the carrier app prompts. You'll see a progress indicator. Wait for the plan to import before moving on to the next configuration steps. Once the eSIM is imported, you need to configure how it works alongside any physical SIM. First, label each plan clearly so you can tell them apart in settings. Choose which line is your default for voice and which provides cellular data. Next, assign a line for iMessage and FaceTime so messages use the right identity. Make sure cellular data is pointed at the plan you want to use and enable LTE or 5G as needed. Finally, verify roaming settings if you'll travel. You finish by confirming the eSIM shows as connected in settings and then place a test call and load a web page to verify data. If you use dual SIM, decide whether to remove your physical SIM or keep both active. Make sure your chosen line is set for voice, data, and iMessage. If anything goes wrong, restart your iPhone first, re-import the QR or activation code, and if that still fails, contact your carrier. Often they can push the activation or reset the eSIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.